And start recording again. In fact, no point recording because the last file fucked. Shut up. Oh, I did it. Do I have a file?
It just makes you get really bright that I hope to see anything we're doing.
Oh, gigabyte course. Yeah, it's like missing half its file. So there's no point in recording. I'm just going to take it all from the stream. Or I can just record from this point onwards.
I don't know, you're recording.
Yeah, I'll just download from both the stream, have the same quality. May as well. Because I'm getting both there anyway. So yes, we are back. Sorry about that. Apparently, my OBS decided to have a little bit of a hissy fit. You got Kingdom Hearts for PlayStation 4? Nice. Didn't realise I already had you added as a friend. I went to add you as a friend after our conversation, but yeah. So we're back with the PC build. So we literally just had a quick break, bathroom, bio break and all that stuff.
I'm now sorting out a cable that we forgot to do.
Yeah, we messed something up.
Well, we messed something up bigger than we thought.
I can still hear myself in my own phone.
Do you have the USB 2 header?
Mm-hmm.
We didn't put it through this little tiny hole. So now I'm trying to get it through the little tiny hole.
Welcome to the binary. Your code has been implemented into the database.
Ultra Nordic Mapper. Thank you for the follow and welcome to the binary. Good sir. Hope you enjoy. Stay here in the database.
I can't get it in.
Now, let me ask you all this. And Dark Riku, I'll ask as you. I'll love your opinion on this because obviously you've been with me since my days of Twitch. You remember Dark Riku, don't you?
Yeah, I remember Riku.
Yeah.
Pretty sure you told him to bugger off at one point.
No.
No, that was
That was Stuart.
Yeah, that was Stuart.
That was Stuart.
The whole Meg Turney thing.
Yeah. But no, Dark Riku, I made a Mixer account purely to watch Sleepless and stuff, right? I had no plans of streaming on Mixer yet. But I was thinking about it. The moment I started thinking about it, I gained a follower. I was like, it must be Sleepless. Look at my followers. Dark Riku. It's like, I haven't even said to anyone I've got a Mixer channel yet. It's like, how is this possible?
He was watching.
Apparently. So yeah, I'll be streaming on Twitch first, getting the movies out of the way. Nice. So yeah, I want to ask all your opinion on this because JP, he made a good point and a good suggestion. My welcome message when I welcome people for the follow and stuff is like, thanks, welcome to the bar and stuff, you've just been downloaded. Because to me that makes sense, but what JP says makes me...
downloaded to the database.
Yeah, downloaded to the database. Now, JP mentioned something which makes more sense to me, but I want your opinion on it because it's not just my channel here. He's suggesting uploaded instead of download, so you've been uploaded to the database.
Because that makes more sense than downloading, because you upload to a database, you don't download from it. You read from it, but you upload to it.
So what do you all think? Which, by the way, I've just noticed as Elgato's currently showing off on Twitter about their new 4K 60 FPS capture card. Internally built, obviously.
Well, yeah. I don't know why they haven't got a USB Gen 2 one yet.
They have a HD 60S, which is USB 3.0, which gives apparently no lag.
3.1. But that's still Gen 1. Where's the Gen 2? Right, it's Type-C connection. Come on.
They kind of skipped that and went for the inbuilt.
I know.
Yeah. So do you guys prefer me saying download to the database or upload to the database? Also, in 25 minutes, the next Halo video will be going live.
Oh, almost got it.
Almost.
I think it's much easier just to pop the radiators back out.
Here's the kicker for Kingdom Hearts. Do we really have to pop them back out?
Yeah, I can't get it through. Moving my hand here.
Go on. I can still see chat. Are we going to... There we go. Let's say we're going to grip. You're going to be streaming it on the hardest difficulty. Very nice. Plenty of people have done that. Personally, I'm not one for the hardest difficulty on Kingdom Hearts.
So where is this? USB2. That
Do
needs
you
to
need
go.
to hold this, or is it coming all the way out?
It doesn't need to come all the way out. Just need to hold it, please. Just so I can get this through this bloody hole here. Right, now could you lift it back up? I can wiggle it in. There we go.
It's almost wanting to wiggle out. Sorry. Got it. I'll tell you right now, that doesn't feel like it's going to go much further.
That's because it's not. Where does it need to get to? It needs to get to there. Ah, damn that. That ain't gonna work, is it?
No, whether we need to go down here.
To there.
Yeah, no.
Okay then. Rethink that one. What happens if I come through here? Tuck it up alongside the board there.
Oh, make it easily. Why did it suddenly lose so much?
Because it's going all the way up here.
Oh.
Down the background, wasn't it? Whereas there it's just coming up. I can tuck it down to the corner there. I mean, I'm not a fan of that, but I've got to do what I've got to do. That'll all go onto here.
I mean, you already know how much of that loops around.
Which all of these should still be in the right places because they can't move anymore.
They've been there for so long, they know where to sit.
Yeah, they do what they're told now.
Now here's a question I've got. Why is my chat not working?
Oh, silence.
'Cause stuff. Boom. We've apparently lost a chat during the process. Nice one.
There's one thing we didn't think about when we done this.
What was that?
How far down we put the commander.
And why is that a problem?
It sits out the bottom of the what's covered.
Ooh.
Because of that bit at the back's not being there anymore, is it?
Hmm. Whoops. Why so serious? Hello, Nerdy Skittles. How's it going? Do we have any mods in chat right now? No, we don't. Of course we don't. Why would my chat have mods? Why would that be a thing?
I mean, it still doesn't look too bad, like.
No, it
Because
doesn't.
that'll be up.
I mean, in all honesty, you're not going to really know it's that way
No.
because they're behind the pumps.
That'll all be tucked up as well, like, so. I mean, that's not going to be too
How's the
bad
PC build going? We're about, I'll say halfway done.
there. We're more than halfway, I'd say now.
I'll say halfway with technicalities.
Yeah, probably.
To kind of give an idea of what this build is so far for the people that have missed it. Remind me again to put i9 what?
It's a 99, the 7900X, 64 gig Corsair Vengeance RGB RAM, 2
That's
Asus,
over 8 sticks, bear in mind.
8 sticks, yeah. Quad channel. There's 2 GTX 1080 Poseidons. It's all water cooled. We've had the pumps down the bottom, which we've had to drill holes to fit ourselves.
Custom mounting.
Because they don't do it normally. The SSDs are down here, mounted questionably, along with 2 in here.
Like 3.5 terabytes of SSD in RAID 0. RGB fans, motors, also 4 on each radiator, 1 up top.
And RGB strips go down.
Yeah,
Here.
RGB strips yet to come. So, going pretty good. We've had very little problems this time, actually.
Surprisingly, we've had a lot less than what was expected. Like, we've had the expected ones, which is not too bad.
And there was some that we had that we thought were going to be troublesome. I mean, there's this one that we don't know how troublesome it's going to be yet.
What do you mean?
The thermal
What about it?
on the pins.
No, it'll be fine. I got most of it.
Damn, it's going to be a beast. Yeah, and downside doesn't belong to me.
Hello.
His.
This is my 3rd build for a 3rd year in a row on this channel.
Yeah. The other 2 builds were over on Twitch, which, by the way, you can check all of them out up on YouTube. Funny enough, there's the link for it.
Speaking of YouTube.
And like I say, all this will also be going up on YouTube as well, as soon as possible. Pretty much doing a yearly build. If the goal down below that you can see, if that is met by next year, that is going to be next year's PC build. And that's for me. And one of the things I've stupidly agreed to, if I get that goal double by next year, December, not only will I be building myself a PC on stream, we'll be building a second PC on stream. That's only if this goal down below is doubled, and giving the second PC away. Chair?
Got another bit, it's going to take a while to do.
Oh.
You know which bit I'm on about.
But yeah, he's went full on balls to the walls, basically. Oh.
When this computer's fully built and all the water's in it.
Oh yeah, it's also a thermal take, the Tower 900 case.
Yeah, because the tower makes it very important.
By the way, Lumus, you have a Christmas? Yes, I had a Christmas. I celebrate Christmas.
Do you? What is Christmas? Okay, this is going to be cleaned off, this one.
I am technically a Christian, but yeah, we'll leave it at that. With the technically.
Like the other one didn't have any sticky stuff left on it, this one does.
What did I get for Christmas? I got a bunch of clothes, a bunch of chocolate, you know, the normal stuff people get. I also got an Assassin's Creed Origins poster, a pair of Assassin's Creed pajamas. I'm trying to think of any other big marketing. My mum got me a bar of chocolate that was shaped as a PlayStation 4 controller. Trying to think of anything of significance. I got an early Christmas present of going to meet Dynamo from my wife. So I got to meet the magician.
Okay, we need the hooks going down. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We want it to go
Why do I have a washer on me?
it's probably one that was on the table. Go there, and then this one go up here. That doesn't look right. Was it that one there? And then looks they're on the same one, so must have been there. I can still get to the radiator holes on that, can't I? How much room we got? We got a little bit at the top, none at the bottom. A little bit at the top, none at the bottom. Yes, it's there. It goes on like that. That's how it goes on. Bless you.
Thank you.
So I can still get to these.
I don't know why, but my chat's died.
Is it properly dead, is it?
Yeah, apparently.
Or has it come back?
No, well, my chat here is working. The chat on screen's not.
Oh, well.
I'm trying to get the chat on screen to work.
That's fine. Doesn't matter, does it? Be alright. Right, these are his intakes. That's down, which means that's the inside, so I want them all that way. That way.
As long as you can see chat one way or another, right? Yeah, I know. It's like with PC built, I normally have it on screen.
Just so people can see the questions that are being asked, and then they can check our answers. So if they have questions, they're like, oh! So they can be watching it and go, I wonder what process is that? Like, this one!
Thank you for the host, Dark Riku. Your support is much appreciated, my friend.
Selling key, isn't it? Damn it, forgot about this.
I had it right here.
Got it.
You got it?
I got one of them.
PC build. Edit. Widgets.
Widgets?
Chat box.
Fidgets.
Link start.
Dark Riku link himself to the database. Now I've got the lovely things. I didn't name any of these.
That's just bad admin. Okay. I'll get the screws. You got the other Allen key? I've got mine.
Like I said, there was one here. Got it. Got it. Now,
All screws.
do that, do that. Okay, don't give me this bullshit. I just seen it work on the website. I'm literally watching it work on the website. Save overlay. Copy URL. Close. Edit. Paste. Okay. I'm going to do that. 1, 2, 3. Now it boots itself back up. Now there should be a working chat. I literally was watching it work on the website. If it doesn't work now, not me. Okay, chat's fucked, apparently. We have a broken chat.
They all went in first time.
Right.
Time's the wrong way around. Alright. Simon, you're slacking behind on yours here.
Oh, sorry. Like, where's the screw to hold them in place?
There is your 2 screws.
Oh, the Allen key? Yes. Well, I need to... Right, if I'm doing these fans first, you need to screw it there.